Hello girls and boys, and we are back in this setup, which means one thing and one thing only. Today I am back with a makeup tutorial. Oh my god. Do you think I need to move that plant over? Maybe I just need to go like this. Here we go. So it has been a while since I have uploaded makeup onto my channel, which is mad because makeup is like my thing. I've got such an itchy nose, oh my god. It has been an absolute while. I feel like it's been over a month since I uploaded makeup onto my channel, which is quite bad, to be honest. Like, I feel like I've let myself down a little bit, but things have just been up in the air, and I'm back, and I'm back with, oh my god, these bad boys. So I did actually pick these up on the launch day. I spent about 3 hours refreshing multiple screens, my phone, my brother's girlfriend was doing it as well, and just as I was about to give up, it let me purchase them. So I haven't actually paid with them, and I did actually get a mirror as well. I'm always using a handheld mirror, like always, so I feel like that was, and plus I just wanted one. Like, I didn't actually even need a reason for this, but it's so nice. So yeah, I picked up the palettes. I've not used them, I've not touched them, which is a little bit annoying because I was like, oh my god, yeah, I'm gonna get them, and then I'll like be the first person, not the first person, let's be real. I was like, I know, like, I'll be one of the first to upload a video, and it would just be really good for me, and then I didn't touch them because shit happened. So here I am now. So we've got the Mini Controversy palette. I love all those colours. I'm thinking I might use this palette today. I don't know, I think I'm going to use one or the other. I was going to do one eye and one eye, but I've actually got a lot to do today, and I don't want to go out with like mismatched eyes. So I'm not going to do any swatches or anything like that because, let's be real, you guys have probably already seen 1,000 videos of people swatching them and stuff. Right, I don't need this anymore. I have obviously got them out the packaging and had a little look at them, and they're so nice. Like, this is probably the best quality I've ever had, and I just love it. So pretty. So I'm thinking I might actually do like a pinky, reddy, purple eye. Anyway, as always, I'm going to go and decide what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it on one eye, and then I'll come back to do the other eye with you guys. So yeah, let's see what I come up with. Okay guys, and we're back, and I picked my face, so just excuse that. I don't know why I do it every single time I'm sitting in front of my lights and I've got a mirror. I just literally like, I need to stop. So as you can see, I've created a pinky eye. I'll show you the colours I've used. So I used the shade My Pills Pigment, My Pills Pigment, Not a Fact, and Just a Theory. So yeah, I'm gonna just show you how I created that. It's very cute. I feel like I've done a look similar to this, and also these lashes are so cute. These are do I have the box? What did I do with the box? They are Minx by Madison in the style Barley. Really, really cute and fluffy. So yeah, let's get cracking. So I primed my eye with the P. Louise base, and I'm just going to go in with the shade Pigment. And I'm gonna, if I sit this way, you can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna just like take it into my crease. So these shadows are so pigmented. I've never actually had a Jeffree style palette before, so I didn't know what his like formula and stuff was like, but pleasantly surprised. Definitely worth the money, I'd say. I do think I need to like sit and have a play around with the palette though, because there are a lot of like shades in there that I wouldn't necessarily use, but because I have bought it, I want to make sure I'm going to like get the use out of, if that makes sense. So then to further blend that out, I'm going to go in with the shade My Pills, which is like a bony, pinky, it's like a whitey bone colour, but it's got like a pinky, lilac-y undertone to it. I'm just going to take this over the very edges and just use that to soften and blend those further. And then I'm just going to go back in with pigment. I love these names, they're literally so good. Like, did everyone watch the series as well as it was like being made? I think that like the fact that they documented everything was just so good. It just added to, like, I was completely and utterly obsessed and so invested in that, like I was crying. I feel like everyone was, like, it was so personal, very inspiring, very inspiring. So now I'm going to go over the shade Not a Fact, which is the purple shade. The only thing with this is there's a lot of powder when you're going into products, so I'm going to just focus this on my outer corner. I really don't like this brush. It's the Jaclyn Hill times Morphe, but it's so like sharp on my eye. I need to get some new brushes, and I don't want to bring this across too far. I literally just want to have it focused on the outer corner. Okay, so I'm now going to cut the crease. Actually, I'm not, because that doesn't look blended. Okay, now I'm going to cut the crease. And I'm just using some like leftover P. Louise base that I had on my hand. And then I'm going to go in with my shade Pigment, and I'm just going to pat this over that line. And then go back in with the shade Not a Fact, which is the purple, and just go back over the corner. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Just a Theory, which is that gorgeous, like, it's like a bronzy metallic-y shade. And I'm just taking this onto that part that we cut. And then lastly, what I did was I took like a flat brush, and that shade Not a Fact, I just run this like really tight against my lash line. And there we go, that is the look. So I'm going to just put my lash on. Okay, so moving on to my skin, I'm going to be using the NARS, what is this? Medium Longwear in the shade Barcelona. A makeup artist used this on a shoot on me the other day, and it's so nice. I hadn't actually used it before. I had it in my makeup kit, so I just stole it out, and now it's mine. Oh, excuse my nails, like all my gels have come off, and my fake tan has like stained them. Gross. Anyway, I'm just gonna buff this in. I like to like stipple it in. I need to get a new foundation brush, because this one I feel like it's nice, but I feel like there's better ones, you know. I feel like I need to jazz the eye makeup up a bit more. Like, I was just looking at this palette, and that Food videos, like a luminous yellow, is like staring at me like into my soul, and so is Cheeto Dust. So of course I just think this look so far is just a little bit boring for, I mean, I'd say this is more wearable than what I am gonna do to it. Right, I should probably lay all this stuff out before because we're keeping in with the Jeffree Star. I'm gonna go, actually, I'm gonna contour first, actually. Gonna take this on a sponge. Don't know where this sponge came from. Okay, highlights. That pink has like really run under my eyes. I feel like I had so much to talk about, but at the same time, nothing. I did a really cool photo shoot the other day for a lash brand, Luscious Lashes. It's owned by Rosie Bragg. You probably know her, she's an influencer on Instagram. She actually has a YouTube channel as well. I think we're going to film something. It was really fun. And then what else have I done? I've got a shoot next week. I'm not going to say what for, purely because, well, this will be out after the shoot, if it happens, do you know what I mean? That's why I don't want to say anything, because I don't want to jinx anything. Hopefully it happens, and then you guys will know what I'm talking about. Yeah, lots of like fun little shoots and stuff. It's all very exciting. I don't know why I'm being chosen, but I'm grateful and I will grab every opportunity that I can get, do you know what I mean? So now I'm going to set with Laura, and I literally only set my under eye. Now I feel like before I finish the rest of my face, I'm going to finish my eyes. Right, so I'm going to take the shade Cheeto Dust. Actually, it's called Cheese Dust. I think they obviously wanted to call it Cheeto Dust and then obviously couldn't for like copyright reasons. And I'm going to just apply this to my outer corner. It's so nice and pigmented. Okay, now this look is coming alive, do you know what I mean? Yeah. Right, food videos. So I'm going to just... I have a towel on my chair because I get so dirty and I've got a new chair. So I'm literally just wiping it on my towel. I've now claimed this towel as my makeup towel, so I'll do what I want with it. So now I'm going to just dip into food videos. This looks so pigmented. Oh. Maybe we won't tap it. Maybe it's because I've got powder on. Just not liking the powder. It's not really working for me, huns. But that's as good as it's gonna get. Now that I've got that much orange yellow on there, I don't actually like it. Okay, so now moving on to the rest of my face, I'm gonna take my Charlotte Tilbury Film Star Glowing Bronze, and I'm just gonna bounce this along my cheeks. I'm going to add a little bit of Ofra Rodeo Drive highlight. Glowy. And then my favourite blush, which is Feeling Peachy. By H&B Cosmetics. If you haven't tried this, then you need to. My skin is so bad at the moment. I can't deal with it. Like, there's nothing worse than having cheek spots that make it look like you're like patchy and stuff. Right, I'm gonna just fill my brows in now with my... Shit, I need to buy another one of these. God, that's all I've got left. I'm gonna have to do that today. 3.5. Let me take a picture of that because I'm gonna forget otherwise. My brow thingy from Benefit, whatever it's called. What is it called? Precisely My Brow. I don't like to add too much into my brows at the moment because I had that brow lamination. I like them to be fluffy. I do just need to like give myself arches though. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm sorry if it was a little bit mismatched. I need to get back into it, get the swing of things. But if you did enjoy, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And I will see you all in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all so much.